be the same story in Himachal Pradesh as well, because in Himachal, the government has issued a notification revising pay scales. So the BJP has said that the higher pay notification that was issued by the previous government has now been withdrawn, saying that it is because the funds, there is a clear fund crunch in the state. In fact, this move is likely to affect as many as 14,000 employees. The BJP criticizing the move.
ये है राहुल गांधी कांग्रेस पार्टी का खटाखट मॉडल हिमाचल प्रदेश में। हिमाचल प्रदेश में जब से कांग्रेस की सरकार आई है, वादे पूरे करना, गारंटी पूरे करना तो दूर, केवल जनता पर महंगाई की मार और अब 14,000 सरकारी कर्मचारियों को झटका। 89 डिपार्टमेंट के 14,000 कर्मचारियों की सैलरी 5 से 15,000 तक काटने का काम कांग्रेस पार्टी कर रही है। उन्होंने जो बीजेपी की सरकार के समय पर एक स्ट्रक्चर बनाया गया था पेमेंट का, उसको चेंज कर दिया है, इससे कि 14,000 एम्प्लॉइज के 5,000 से लेकर 15,000 रुपए का प्रति महीना नुकसान होगा, उनकी सैलरी घट जाएगी।
My colleague Poonam joins us on the broadcast with the details. Poonam, take us through the details of this notification that has been issued by the Himachal Pradesh government. As many as 14,000 employees across the state are going to be affected.
Yeah, obviously, the Himachal Pradesh government has withdrawn the higher grade pay notification granted to employees during the previous year Thakur government, affecting round about 10,000 to 14,000 employees, which come across 89 categories are under it. And this decision will result in monthly salary cut of 5 to 15,000. But right now, even the association, the employment union president Sanjeev Sharma had a meeting with CM, and CM has told him that now he will withdraw the notification soon. So he had also told him that now the salary, because Sanjeev Sharma told us that he told about the repercussions which employees have to face if their salary decreases. So CM has given him assurance that he will withdraw the notification as soon as possible.
Okay, all right. So it has come under severe criticism. And is there any clarification that has come in from the Congress government regarding the same? Because the BJP has criticized this move and has said that this is the result of the khatakat model of the Congress party.
When the Sanjeev Sharma, who is president of employment union, he was saying that CM was not made aware of the drawbacks which employees had to face if their salaries decreases. Now he had also explained CM that these are the drawbacks if the salary decreases, because we have made a budget. Somebody have to pay fees, somebody have to pay loan, installments are there. So when CM got to know about the drawbacks of the employees, then CM assured them that now a notification will be withdrawn.
Okay, all right. Thank you for joining us with those details.